From day one, Qatar was attacked, many of the times for no reason. Baseless allegations can't stop a country of Qatar's determination. Then came the actual game. What a splendid show! The opinions changed, perceptions changed. Qatar World Cup turned out to be a massive success. With exceptional infrastructure and world-class hosting, World Cup 2022 becomes the best ever. Visitors traveled between the venues free of cost. Teams and visitors are given great welcome. Nothing could stop the country to be the best. 29 days. World started seeing Qatar differently. Welcome to the future of a new world order.